everyone, hope you all are doing well. So in this video we are going to talk about some wonderful hiring opportunities. So do watch the complete video, and if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed this channel till now, make sure to subscribe. This channel is going to be very helpful for you for your placement preparation. So let's start with our first opportunity. So the first opportunity is from ThoughtWorks, as you can see right now. So this is a ThoughtWorks data engineer hiring challenge. Let's further study about this. So you can see it has been opened at 10th of September and it is about to close at 19th of September. So make sure to participate before the deadline. The duration given is 2 hours 30 minutes. Well, this is a sort of description given regarding the ThoughtWorks, that you will see passionate technologists who believe in the power of software and technology as tools for social change. Let's talk about the eligibility criteria here. So skills needed are Java, Ruby, Python, C Sharp, Golang. So if you are having the knowledge of any of these programming languages, that would be great. And here years of experience that they're asking for is 0 to 1. Right, so if you're from 2020 or 2021 batch, you are eligible for this particular hiring. Right, so the challenge format here is given that one basic programming question. Also some language restriction is there, that you can use Java, Ruby, Python, C Sharp and Golang. One SQL question will be there, 10 MCQs will be there. Also you will require a webcam to be able to take this test. Please have a functional webcam enabled and grant success to the pop-up on the browser. For webcam issue, you have to follow that link. Right, here they have provided the link as well. So this is the role that they're offering is data engineer, experience 0 to 1. Compensation will be best in industry. Job location they have mentioned is Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Coimbatore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Gurgaon. So what will be your responsibilities? Let's have a look on that part as well. So you will be creating complex data processing pipelines as part of diverse high energy teams, designing scalable implementation of the models developed by our data scientists. Hands-on programming based on TDD, usually in a pair programming environment, deploying data pipelines in production based on continuous delivery processes. Right, so here is some other points as well mentioned. You can go through them. Like as you enjoy working with SQL, both querying for reports and creating projections. Understand how to build data pipelines and data-centric application using distributed storage platforms like HDFS, S3, NoSQL databases. Okay, so here further things are mentioned. You can just go through them to get a proper sort of understanding. Well, the link for this job opportunity is given in the description itself, so you can check it from there and make sure to apply. Also, what else you can do is that share the video among your friends as well, so that even they can know about these hiring opportunities. So let's see our next opportunity, that is from Teradata. Right. So Teradata is basically hiring for associate software engineer. Location mentioned is Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. So here's the description sort of given about the company. You can go through it. Summary description they have mentioned is that you will be responsible for the development of new code in the complex area of the Teradata query optimizer. Ability to understand existing code which needs strong C skills, excellent analytic abilities with an extensive background understanding of database internals, SQL grammar, data structure and OS internals. Development experience in C, C++ will be a plus. She will also be involved in fixing bugs in the Teradata optimizer initially to gain an understanding of the different areas. While talking about the education and experience required, so BTech, MTech, MCA in computer science. Development experience will be a plus, although that is not mandatory. Strong C programming skills, knowledge of Perl, Shell, scripting desirable. Working experience in data structure, should be comfortable with SQL, ability to work with a project lead, senior developers and support associates required. Teradata knowledge is a plus. Well, let's talk about the key areas of responsibility. So analyze optimizer bugs, design, fix and unit test changes, develop new feature change requests, interact with offshore, onshore associates on projects assignments. And here you can read about the key competencies and skills as well. Right, so that would be great, so that you can get a proper understanding about the role and what is actually looking for. So let's talk about our next opportunity now, that is from Birlasoft. So here you can see this is the hiring from Birlasoft. The job requirement is course completion in any of the object-oriented programming languages, that is Java, .NET, C Sharp, Python. Knowledge on technologies such as HTML5, JavaScript, ES6. Knowledge on RDBMS, Oracle, MS SQL Server, any other RDBMS. Development lifecycle, SDLC, Agile understanding. Candidate will be working on niche technology in the businesses units that would be aligned to. Talking about the eligibility criteria, so profile they are offering is application developer. Specialization needed is BTech in CS, IT, ECE, ENTC. Eligibility criteria is 60% in 10th, 12th year of pass out. Mentioned is 2022. Job location they are providing is Noida, Pune, Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad. Hiring process is first of all application screening. So it's not just that if you are applying, you will be getting the test link also. So first of all, your applications will be shortlisted. Then there will be a Versant communication test, then technical test, then technical interview 1, then technical interview 2, and then HR interview. Right. So here's this apply now button. Please click on that and apply for this amazing opportunity, and share among your friends as well, among your seniors, junior who is capable. Make sure to share among them so that even they can know about these hiring opportunities. Well, let's talk about our next opportunity. So that is from Kriti Technologies. So this is a pool campus recruitment drive for 2022 pass out. Experience is obviously this is for freshers, so no experience. CTC will be ranging from 5.4 to 6.6 LPA. The eligibility criteria for apply for this recruitment process is noted below. The minimum qualification to apply for the vacancy is BTech or BE and MCA who will pass out in 2022 can only apply. All branches are eligible. Students must have scored a minimum of 70% marks in their examination starting from 10th. So here's the vacancy as well mentioned. Package I've already specified that would be 5.4 to 6.6 LPA. Let's talk about the selection process now. So first of all, you will be having online aptitude test. First round will be online aptitude test having 3 sections. That is quantitative, English and general knowledge, logical reasoning and puzzle. Total marks will be 60 and the time allotted will be 45 minutes. 20 questions in each section, so a total of 60 questions. Different marks may be there for different question. Also there is negative marking, so you can see they have clearly specified that 1/4 marks of the assigned marks will be deducted in case of wrong answer. One has to score 10 points from each section to qualify for the next round. That is total 30 points out of 60 you have to score. Next round will be a coding test that also will be online only. Duration will be 60 minutes. There will be 4 questions. One has to write and execute 2 programs successfully to qualify for the next round. Next round is a group discussion online itself. Then next round is a technical interview that would be on Google Meet. So C, C++ or any other programming language in which candidate has knowledge. Data structure will be asked, DBMS questions will be asked, algorithm will be asked, and operating system question will be asked. Then there will be HR interview, and then at the last there will be some final round for further discussion. So they have clearly specified all the rounds are elimination rounds, right? So HR and this final round itself will be an elimination round because they have clearly mentioned that here. So here are some terms and conditions for the training program is also mentioned. So you can just go through them to get a proper understanding. So here there is mentioned that in case the students clear all the tests before completing the graduation. So here is something mentioned, you can go through them. One important thing is that there is no employment bond, right? Joining incentive, they have mentioned that amount of rupees 20,000 will be paid to outstation as a joining incentive. For that terms and conditions are given below, that this amount will be extra and it is not a part of CTC. It will be paid if and only if the candidate works more than 1 year 9 months for Kriti Technologies. Please note all the details need to be filled properly. Applications having incomplete academic details will get rejected, so make sure to provide the complete proper detail. If any information found to be incorrect during verification after selection, candidate will be rejected. To update the same application, student must enter the mail ID which has been used previously. So the last date to apply is 18th of September. Make sure to apply. Recruitment drive date will be 1st of October 2021. Here they have mentioned the required skills, that is RDBMS, Java, C, C++. Qualification also they have specified, that is ME, BTech, BE, MTech, BTech, MCA, right? So make sure to apply for this wonderful opportunity. These were some amazing opportunities for all of you. I hope that you have found this video useful. The link for all these jobs is given in the description itself. So make sure to apply. Also be a part of our Telegram channel as well. And guys, if you are looking for some amazing courses for the preparation, you can check the courses on Geeks for Geeks and you can get a 10% discount there by using the coupon code Study with Soumya. So use the coupon code and get the 10% off and start learning. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Keep learning, keep preparing. Bye bye.